Hello everyone and welcome to my art story channel. My name is Abdul Sami and I'm learning acrylic painting. I'm making this channel for those who like art and want to learn acrylic paintings but couldn't do so due to their time. This channel will include a number of playlists including number 1 acrylic painting techniques, number 2 uh, painting materials, and number 3 color mixing tutorials, and number 4 abstract art paintings, and number 5 knife painting. To upload to share with you the techniques which I will learn on acrylic paintings. Uh, each video in this channel will have brief descriptions and its details, so you could use it as a reference whenever required. Not a professional as yet, but I do believe in keeping a good and consistent pace in the practice will definitely take you to the top level. Simply pick up a paintbrush and start playing with your artistic talent. Believe me, it's too easy and simple to learn painting. I hope you would like my channel and also subscribe and share it with your family and friends. See you soon with the new upload.